Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Honda CRV, stock number 6502. This ran from 11th 2012 to 4th 2017. It has an R20A 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the R20A 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front guard, one small scratch. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,